Okay. Just looking through the sight. Move your eyes in and out. Push this forward. Push this forward right here. Push forward all the way. Put it down. There you go. Hold on. You move your eye back and forth to see the whole focus, the whole thing. You see the whole thing? See the whole view? Okay. Put that crosshair on a target. Find a target where you want to shoot, and
make sure you hold it tight, Opong.
Yeah.
It's kind of blurry though.
But you know, you gotta go move your head back and forth to see.
Where's the sun camera?
You know, if it's well, right down, scoot up, you scoop your body up a little bit. There you go. Make sure you put right here. Yeah. Okay. All right. See it? You gotta move. You gotta move down. If you can't see the target, move down.
I got it.
You see it? See a target? Shoot the bottle in front of you. Any kind of small bottle in front of you. The white bottle. See anything?
Yeah.
Okay. You got a target on? Woohoo! Hit. What? It's good?
Like that?
And try another one? Okay, put it up. COD, baby. Push it in. Find a target? Good? One more?
One more. You like that one?
Push it in. Stop. You're done.